Daniela, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do the no lie TikTok trend. It's a really cool trend. Personally, I really like it. But before we get started, make sure to subscribe and also activate the notifications by clicking the bell down below. And now let's go. By the way, this video is mirrored, so it's a lot easier for you to follow. And now let's get started with the first move. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to cross our arms. It doesn't really matter which hand is on top of which, just cross them. And we're going to do 1, 2. So basically, the only thing we're going to do here is we're going to switch sides with our hands. So they go to the left and then to the right. So 1, 2. And then what we're going to do is we're going to pretend we're throwing something up. So 1, 2, 3. You're going to look at that for half a second and then you're going to go down and we're going to go 1 and then 2. So basically to do these two moves, what you have to do is you're going to bend your legs a little bit just so that it's easier to do it, because like standing, it doesn't look really cool. So basically when you do this, you're going to do like a circle with your shoulders. So one shoulder goes forward and then both go back. The other one goes down and then both go down. So just like that. 1. Okay, and we're going to do that twice. So 1 and then 2. You can also help yourselves with your hands a little bit, just like that. Okay, perfect. Now let's do it from the beginning and we'll move on. 1, 2, throw, 1, 2. Perfect. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go with our right elbow to the side, and then with our left elbow also to the side. So 1, 2, and then we're going to do a circle with our hands around our face, just like that. 1. And if you want, you can add like a little circle with your neck. You can do it however you prefer. So 1, 2, 3. Once again, 1, 2, 3. Perfect. And now we're going to do the same 2 circles with our shoulders that we did before. So let's do it from the beginning. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Perfect. So after we do this, what we're going to do is we're going to put our hands in this position. So basically it's as if we were holding something very long, as you can see, and we're going to go to the side, forward, and then our right hand goes up, left one down. And then for this move there are 2 options. Some people go like this, and some people do like 4 waves with their hands. So you have to choose what you're gonna do. So the first option basically is just put both your hands in front of your face, and then you're gonna go twisting your leg 4 times, and while you twist your leg, your hands just go down, just like that. So 1, just like that, and 4 beats. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the other option, one of your hands goes up, and then it goes down while you do 4 waves. So I prefer the first option, but you can do whatever you want. So 1, 2, 3, 4, or the 4 waves. And then for the next part, you're gonna go 1 and then 2. So you're gonna step back with your left leg, and your finger just goes like this. And then with your right leg, and your finger goes like this. And that's it, that's the whole dance. So we're gonna do it from the beginning twice. First, we're gonna go slow, then fast, and we're done. So first, let's go slow. Let's go. 1, 2, throw, circle, circle. 1, 2, 3, circle, circle. 1 and 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then step, step. That's it. And now the same thing, but a little bit faster. Let's go. 1 and 2. 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step, step. Perfect. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure to give me a big thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe, go follow me on TikTok, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.